We got really busy the past few days because of our family trip here in Moalboal to learn how to free dive and for Tony to get swimming lessons so that he can snorkel with us. So I did not get to watch the Miss Universe pageant live because I was on a boat from Nasipit to Cebu. However, when I got to Cebu, I watched the whole performance of Miss Atiza Manalo, and congratulations. She is not my bet. My bet is Winman Marquez. Only because we were both moms, and wala lang, I would have wanted to see a mom win Miss Universe. Although, mahal ko naman silang lahat. Ang gagaling naman talaga ng top 5 natin this year. Ang galing din ni Eliana, ang galing ni Chelsea, ang galing ni Doc Gabby, ang galing naman talaga nila. Okay? Even Miss Winwin, my bet. Pero yun nga, 'di ba? It's Atisa's time. Time niya because naning siya, day. Sa lahat sa kanila, siya yung pinaka-naning. So time na niya yan, ibigay niyo na. Kahit hindi niyo man siya bet, pero sa kanya kasi talaga yung moment na to. Please naman, respetuin niyo. Ang opinion ko dyan is that I hope for the best for her. Dahil alam ko naman that may pinaghuhugutan ang pagkapanalo niya. So why don't we let her try to let us place much higher and better this year? And isa pa, hindi naman din kawalan sa ibang hindi nakukuha ng corona because they can try again next year. Cue Eliana. Pero for me, yung answer din naman ni Doc Gabby, yung pinaka-favorite ko. However, may however naman ako dyan. I didn't like the use of the word posture of the heart. But she's a doctor, she would know better than me. Pero ang akin lang, it would have been better had she used the word state instead of posture. Pero sa akin lang yun ha, walang magagalit. Pero love above all pa din talaga ang para sa akin ang panalo. But, si Atisa talaga got her message across as well. The question was simple and she gave a very simple answer that was timely and relatable for her. She did not use hard words, she was not as eloquent, however, she is a total performer. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam o sa ayaw tumanggap na every year naman talaga, feeder pageants, meron talaga yung minamatch na girls and crowns. Every year. Ang tawag dyan sa Bisaya, gilaming na siya, day. Hindi yan luto, laming yan. Meaning, minatch na yan kung sino ang best para dyan. You may not be a frontrunner like Chelsea Manalo last year, but she is within the radar of the people who wanted to put her in that crown, okay? Hindi man siya frontrunner publicly, pero internally, nakalaming na yan, day. So it's what happened this year. Year talaga ni Atisa. And I guess, we need to accept that. Congratulations to my mama, Val Tagubang, for the beautiful pink gown. At saka, si Ian Mendehar talaga. Pati pag tayo ni Miss Atisa, nung natalisod siya, si Ian din tumuro nun. Nagturo nun. Yung ganun talaga na pag-ahon mula sa pagkatapilok. At saka alam niyo din naman guys, di ba? Yung natapilok na dati na Miss Universe, ang taas ng placement ni. O kaya, di ba? Positive na lang. Kasi magagalit ka, masastroke ka. Anong mangyayari dyan? Si Atisa pa rin talaga yung panalo. Si Atisa pa rin talaga yung representative natin sa ayaw at sa gusto mo. And for me, yun lang. Kung hindi mo year ngayon, try again next year. Ganun lang naman yun, be. At saka kung hindi ka pa naman din, alam mo yun, kung hindi pa naman din huli ang lahat, hindi ka pa naman din too old to join the pageant, edi join na me. Basta ang importante, it's Atisa's time. Wala na lang talagang umiksena. Yung mga iba dyan, mag-i-eksena ka pa talaga. Si Atisa na nga yung ipapadala me. Hindi nga talaga yung manok mo, tanggap-tanggap. At saka hindi rin kawalan sa mga hindi nanalo. Ganon lang yun. Kasi may kanya-kanya naman silang pageant na sasalihan. And let's wish na mananalo sila sa mga pageant na yun. Yun lang. Basta as of right now, congratulations to Miss Atiza Manalo. Ipanalo mo yan para sa lahat ng mga lolas girl katulad ko. Ibandera mo. Itaas mo ang bandera natin sa Miss Universe pageant sa Thailand, me. And yun lang. Ganon talaga eh. Nangyari na. Siya na, and tanggap-tanggap lang din. Ika nga ni Doc Gabby Carvalho, love above all. Ingat!
Here at the ice cream, I got, this is caramel, and then below is green mango and 3 French merengues. I'm gonna have, wait, green mango.
Wala, lamig jud siya, uy.
Hindi. Hindi, ang sa natin naman. Kasi hindi mo. Paduan na siya sa amon.
Mhm.
kasi sa parang di ko mo sa laboratory ka yung mga po. Okay na kasi siya. Ano mo nila ka
Kamay tayo.
labuyo ko.
Kami good. Daog.
After our line training to prepare for the sardine run tomorrow, we went to Three Bears for burgers. Ed ordered the bacon barbecue burger while I ordered the ultimate cheeseburger. I also got an amaretto sour because I felt like it, and of course a mango shake for Tony. And then we also ordered the OG burger, which started it all for Three Bears. So here I am about to take a taste test for the ultimate cheeseburger. So I asked them to cut in half because, you know, I like to take smaller bites. And I think I really enjoyed the first bite, but I was already full right away because it was just too much. Yes, I'm on a diet, so I can only enjoy half of everything. The bun was actually soft. I believed it was brioche, and so was the patty. I liked that the cheese wasn't salty, and the onion garnish was good too, although it didn't have the crunch that was promised. I also enjoyed it with fries and ended my entire meal like a lady with an amaretto sour. Maing gabi! Mwah! Brunch seemed like a good idea after Tony's second day of swimming lessons here in Moalboal, so we went to Smooth Cafe. I had my usual eggs Benedict on top of an English muffin, and this is what the resto looks like. And then Tony, being Tony, so Tita Cherry ordered chicken. Ed had chicken cordon bleu. I love how the food looks. It was plated really well, and then Tony had the cinnamon roll waffles, which also looked really good. So then mga unta. So aning dapita medyo na-stress ko gamay sa bacon. Pero lami ra siya. Ang knife ra gyud dapat ang mag-adjust. So sa mga ingon aning mga lakaw di kay ko mag-rice. So the bacon was lightly seasoned. The eggs were perfect as always. So muna siya. O diba? Lami. Mga unta. Ingat. Mwah.